Hey everyone, this is Erich Hunter, and I wanted to do an unboxing video of some of my custom pendulums. And you can see it comes from Shapeways, and they pack it really nicely so your pendulum is not going to get messed up in the mail. And I just recently sent one of these to Pakistan, so they can do a pretty good job sending these out. And you know, they guarantee your satisfaction with the product. So if you're not happy, you can just return it. And if it's damaged or anything, you just return it. So you know, you can feel good about that. It's been going to be packed properly. So let's go ahead and let's open this up and let's see what goodies are hiding in here. Okay, so get this thing open. Okay, so what comes inside is a little invoice sheet. Now, it does not put the prices on there, so if you wanted to get one of these as a gift for somebody, they wouldn't know how much you spent because they don't put price on it. So there's like bubble wrap in there, so they keep it nice and wrapped up. Now I've got two pendulums here, and these pendulums, let's take them out, check them out, see what they are. So there's a plastic bag, and then there's like a black felt bag, and that's because these particular pendulums are precious metals. And here is the rhodium cosmic Merkaba. I love rhodium. It looks like silver, but it's much more durable than silver, and it's shinier than silver, and the energetic qualities of this material are just awesome. I have an Akashic healing pendulum in rhodium that I absolutely love. Now, it does not, whoops, somehow hit the button there. Sorry, I lost video. That's annoying. Sorry about that. Okay, so the pendulum does not come with a string, so you got to add your own string. So I'm just going to take the string off this Asclepius here. Sorry about that technical interruption there. I don't know what happened. Hopefully I didn't lose people watching the video. So I'm just going to get the string off. Now, I made all my new pendulum designs so you can get the string off real easily. That way if the string breaks, you just tie another one on. It's not a big deal. So this is the rhodium cosmic Merkaba. You just tie a new string on. You know, it doesn't matter what, just use a string, but it doesn't matter what color the string is. So you can also use some pretty designs, like people in China have been giving me these in Taiwan, one person sent me these beautiful strings from Taiwan. Maybe I'll use this on the gold one. And so the Cosmic Merkaba has really good energy. This pendulum, if you're energetically sensitive and you hold it under your hand, you can really feel it. It's super strong. At the same time, so it works really well for distance healing, but it also works really well for in-person healing. And because of its shape, where it has these circular rings going around it, it's really great for doing work on auras, chakra, etc. But it also has like a super high Bovis value. So like the life force value of this thing is really strong. And if you get one of the precious metal ones, like the rhodium or the gold plated, it is really good for doing like spiritual work too, anything involving ascension or, you know, chakra, stuff like that. But it also is great for physical healing. So this is like a totally awesome pendulum. Okay, I got another one here. Let's open that up. And this one here is also a Cosmic Merkaba. This one here is gold plated. So here is a brass one, and here's the gold plated. So they look pretty similar. The gold plated one is a little shinier, obviously, than the brass, and it won't tarnish as easily, but you can easily polish the brass. So the brass is a good choice, but I would get the gold plated if you're like doing like Reiki with this pendulum, yeah, because this is a really good pendulum for doing Reiki. If you're doing like Akashic Records, or if you just want to have a pendulum with a more pure vibration, the gold plated would be the way to go. You know, like there are some pendulum websites that talk about gold like as a pendulum color, and that's totally bogus. Gold is yellow. The only way you can get gold in a pendulum is if it actually has gold on it. That's the only way to get the properties of gold. Otherwise, it's just yellow. So this pendulum, you know, yep, really good energy. It's different than the rhodium's energy, though. It's more subtle. The rhodium felt like a stronger pressure in my hand than the gold-plated, but still super potent pendulum. And this is a great pendulum for healing. I don't know if you know, but like I had this little mouse that I found. It was caught in a trap, and it was like half dead. And I just used one of these cosmic Merkabas over it for like 3 times. And then after like several hours, the mouse came back to life, and then it was totally fine. And I thought for sure it was dead when I first started. And like I use this now on healings for people all the time. So like I just did healing for someone last night. They were getting really sick. They had like sore throat for days and stuff. Did this on them. They were feeling better the next day. So super cool pendulum. So I hope that was fun. The Merkaba pendulums from Shapeways. And just to summarize here, you will get your pendulum sent to you in a nice box. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it was fun. Bye.